Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix ChatGPT not working or loading error. Alright, let's begin. First, clear your browser cache. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, scroll down to Settings. On the left, select Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data is checked. Set the time range to All Time and click Clear Data. Next, disable your Chrome extensions. Go back to the three dots, select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Toggle off all extensions one by one, as some may interfere with ChatGPT. Then try opening ChatGPT in an incognito window. Click the three dots again and select New Incognito Window. Visit the ChatGPT site, log in, and check if it's working. If it's still not loading, disconnect from any VPNs. VPNs can cause compatibility issues with ChatGPT. Turn off any active VPN connections and retry accessing the website. So that's basically how you can fix ChatGPT not working or loading error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.